Hey friends, as every WordPress website is connected to a database, there might be times when you are facing issues due to database connections or any other issues with the database. In the WordPress question and answer series video, common WordPress error and fix, in the last video we discussed how to resolve the database connection issue. In this video, I am going to show you very easily how you can repair and optimize the database safely. So safety is main concern for the database, because when you are handling the database, one simple error may disrupt your complete website. So the topic is how to repair and optimize database in WordPress without host access or FTP access. Let us assume we don't have access on the hosting and we don't even have the credentials for FTP. How we can repair the database or optimize the database? Since okay, so we have like the dashboard access, but not the hosting access. Now this is the dashboard of this website, and I have yet not installed any plugin for database optimization or repair activity. So there is no such plugin, in fact, that can actually repair your database without any additional effort, we can say. So there is a feature in WordPress which is generally unexplored. Uh, I'll show you the screen. So to allow the use of this page automatically repair the database problem. So WordPress has a feature that can repair the database at its own. I mean, WordPress website itself can repair the database, even optimize the database without having or without installing any additional plugin or without any developer assistance. So you can use these functionalities. What you have to do, you just need to open the URL like this. Consider this URL. This can be your domain name oblique wp-admin oblique maint, I mean maintenance, half of maintenance. This is maint oblique repair.php. So when you will open this URL, this screen will come. To allow the use of this page to automatically repair database problem, please add the following line to your wp config file. Once the line is added to your config, reload this page. Since we don't have the access on our hosting or we don't have FTP access, what we can do? So we can install a simple and very commonly used plugin called and WP File Manager. So I have already installed the plugin. I'll show you on the plugin installer screen, like add plugin. Okay, so I am getting error establishing in database connection. In fact, just I created this error, so it is not actually. So WP File Manager. So File Manager, which plugin you need to install? I'll show you. Since I have already installed, but I wish to show you which plugin exactly. This is the plugin from the MNDP Sync 287. So this is a very common plugin and it has got a 1+ million active installation. So there are many plugins in this context, but you have to install this file manager, simple file manager. Okay, so I have installed this plugin and just open the file manager, WP file manager, and we have already this line of code. So we can simply copy this line of code, and the file manager is getting opened. So handle with care, because we are going to edit the wp config file. So wp config file is here, wp config.php. You can simply open the file using the editor option. So it is opening the file. And once the file is open, we can simply go to the line where it is mentioned, that's all, stop editing, happy publishing. So just paste this line of code. So we already have this. Just copy this and paste this here before the that's all, stop editing, happy publishing line. So just save and close. It is saving. And after completing the task, I mean repairing task, we have to remove this plugin as well. So don't keep this plugin active on your website. This may be a security concern for your website. right? So the WP config is now updated, and we can see the actual time. So it was having read and write permission. This is how it got updated. If just in case if you have only read permission on the WP config file, you will not be able to update the file. But generally, it has the read and write permission by default, right? So we have added the line of code, and now we can reload the page. So it is again showing error established in database. It is just a cached file. So I have this screen now. So on this screen, we have two options: repair database and repair and optimize database. I'll read the line. WordPress can automatically look for some common database problems and repair them. Repairing can take a while, so please be patient. So we can repair the database, while in another option, WordPress can also attempt to optimize the database. This improves performance in some situation. Repairing and optimizing the database can take a long time, and database will be locked while optimizing. So you have both the options. You have to allot time, but just to show you, I'm just clicking on repair database. It is not going to cause an error, but still it is recommended to take a backup of your database. So everything is okay, and you can see all the database table showing okay. Repair is complete. Please remove the line of code. Please remove the following line. So we have to remove the line here again, since we have completed our task. So what we have to do, we can simply open the editor again. It will take a while because we are accessing the editor directly, and we simply need to remove the line we just added. Delete this simply. Don't delete other lines. Keep all the lines intact and save and close. Now you can recheck whether this uh, screen is showing the same, I mean the previous message. So yes, it is removed. So now our database is repaired. Just in case if you are facing any database issue, do this thing first of all. So just repair your database. It may resolve your basic problem with the database. Now this site is working, so I just shown you. So this is how you can repair and even optimize the database safely in WordPress website without having host or FTP access. In the next video, we have more topics and more themes, plugins, and other resources for your WordPress website. Keep watching, keep reading, and don't miss to subscribe this channel, and even you can share this video if you find it helpful. Thank you.